Hello everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to fix the BattlEye corrupted memory error on Windows 11. First, close any software that can interact with your game. Applications like MSI Afterburner, Rivatuner Statistics Server, ASUS Armory Crate, and MSI Dragon Center can sometimes cause BattlEye to detect false memory changes. Make sure these programs are fully closed before starting your game. Also, if you're using a Windows Insider Preview build, switch back to the stable version of Windows, because preview builds can sometimes create compatibility issues with anti-cheat software. Next, reinstall the BattlEye service. Open your game's installation folder and delete the BattlEye folder completely. Then search for Command Prompt, right-click it, and select Run as administrator. Type SC delete BE service and press Enter. This removes the old BattlEye service from Windows. Now launch the game through Steam or your game launcher. BattlEye will automatically download a fresh copy and install the service again. Finally, verify your game files. In Steam, right-click your game, select Properties, open the Installed Files tab, and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. If you're using another launcher, use its Repair or Verify option. This will replace any missing or damaged files that could be causing the error. Once you've completed these steps, restart your PC and launch the game again. Thanks for watching.